Good evening, traders. Good evening. I hope you all, and I hope you all are having a fantastic Tuesday evening. So today I'm going to go right into the method of trading. We'll be using the Tokyo Session Silver Bullet, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can find yourself to be trading utilizing this particular trading strategy. So, how do you trade? You trade via waiting for 8 p.m. to 8:15 UTC plus 2. That's my time. So of course I'm going to keep it as simple as possible when I'm explaining this particular method. So wherever you are in the world, you'll have to just align it with UTC plus 2 with my time. It'll be from 8 p.m. to 8:15. When you have that, you're going to draw a horizontal line on the high of the box and on the low of the box. That's going to be your buy level and your sell level. So when price breaks above, you will execute a buy. If price breaks below, you will therefore execute a sell. That's as simple as what it is. Your stop loss will be below or above the box. So it's high, and it will be a risk to reward of 1-to-1. That's how we trade. That's as simple as what it gets. Really no complications to this. And this, of course, is XAUUSD. We had a trade opportunity on AUDUSD that, of course, I took with the traders. And had a beautiful buy opportunity over here. As you can see, it was a clean buy right over there. Beautiful 3.6 per risk for a gain of, let's say, 3.6 as well. That was AUDUSD. If we look at NZDUSD, we're in this position, and it appears that we have hit our stop loss over here. As you can see, we hit a beautiful stop loss right now as I am conducting this live stream. We had some profit. We ran halfway up to our take profit, but unfortunately for us, we have seen price run all the way back down to our stop loss level. So that's really, really unfortunate, but that's part of the game. That's part of trading. You can't win every single trade, and I want to be as transparent as what I can to show you all that. Look, we don't win all of our trades. We win majority of them, without a doubt, but not all of them, unfortunately, for that. And of course, there's US 30. We're running quite some good profits over here. However, unfortunately, once again, we are running now in some deep drawdown. And that's fine. I'll show you some more trades where we take profit. As you can see over here, Euro NZD, a beautiful opportunity. Clean to the point, nice buy, and profits all the way to take profit. So there are asset pairs where it works exceptionally well, and there are times where it just, unfortunately, you know what, it doesn't work so well, and it's all right. That's fine. Not to win every single trade opportunity. Bitcoin, as you can see, if you were to draw your horizontal line, you'd see price has broken below, and you would execute your sell opportunity, and you'd made your money. There are not many brokers, and I must say this to you all, there are not many brokers that find themselves offering cryptocurrencies as a CFD, as a contract for difference. In other words, you can't actually trade these particular assets without doing so through an exchange such as Coinbase and Luno, for example. You can't trade them without using an exchange. However, there are brokers that do offer this as a CFD. XM is one of them, and you are able to trade Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Ripple, Dogecoin, etc. You can trade them as well. And trust me when I say, when you scalp them, although the spread can be quite horrendous, they are quite, can I say, reliable in the sense of how they move. Now, depending on some fundamental news events, I can assure you that at the moment now, there probably is nothing that's going to be released at this time in the evening on my end, and of course at the time in the US as well. So I can tell you that for a fact. And in general, it's fairly good and safe to find yourself executing trades without having that extra volatile movement during fundamental news events. So yeah, that's Bitcoin for you. That's of course cryptocurrencies for you as well. And XM is a fantastic broker that really does offer cryptocurrencies as a CFD that will allow you to trade them over a over MetaTrader 4 or 5, whichever is your desired trading platform. So without further ado, we'll continue moving along to more asset pairs. I'm just going to go through the list. I won't even find myself so stop loss placement hit over here, as you can see. I'm not even going. I just want to be as transparent as possible and just show you exactly the method, how simple it is, and how you can find yourself trading with this particular method. So there you can see over here, not very nice, but if we go back all the way down, if I go all the way back, yeah, there wasn't really much opportunities over here. Doesn't look back, but if you look at this price action, I mean, that's literally your spread. There's no way you can find yourself trading something that's like 2 pips. Like, nope, that's wow, 2 pips. Oh my word. Okay. So yeah, depending on that, of course, there is some criteria that you would have to follow, but in general, you can go in accordance with that. It certainly works quite well. And here's JPY. What a unfortunate opportunity over there. With the CAD, likewise, they all tend to follow the same type of pattern. So yeah, that is one of the methods that unfortunately did not find itself moving in accordance with how I wanted to. Swiss franc JPY. We are in a bit of profit if you were to look at taking the particular position over here. And that's one trade opportunity that you can find yourself taking. I will go to NASDAQ. 100 USD. Once again, you're also running back down into your drawdown area, just below entry. And that's all right. Looking over here into the JPY, here's actually a trade opportunity that can find itself unfolding. At the moment, there has been no movement or no direction yet from the space. So if we can find ourselves breaking above, we can execute a buy. And once again, if you find ourselves breaking below, we can execute a sell. I'm just going to leave this over here. Then I will update this beautiful, you know what, opportunities. I will update them after we see a buy or sell position unfolding over the course of the evening. So I will be doing that. GA, see what you have to offer. Oh, GA was a good one. As you can see over there, good trade opportunity. Not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. Fantastic. All right. So that's the method. Ideally, I won't really recommend this particular method, especially in the evening side, but depending on where you are in the world, this method can really be quite powerful, can really work very, very well. I always recommend it to be trading during New York, and it's the same way. I always recommend New York because New York is simply just better session. First of all, it's the session with the most volume, and price just moves so amazing. I mean, GBP AUD is not even a USD based or quoted pair, and yet it finds itself going ahead and really just being, yeah, it really just goes ahead and it moves so well during New York. So with that even being the case, yeah, it's a fantastic pair. So yeah, that was GA. Unfortunately, the split can be quite bad, but I can assure you that it's definitely fantastic. Moves well, and I think that would be a beautiful pair. I'm gonna go back to gold. See what's happening over there. And yeah, you know, that's really just what happens and how one goes ahead. We're gonna read our SL over here on gold. Not yet, but I'm sure we definitely will. That's just a higher time and directional bias. Unfortunately, we weren't able to catch the scalp up to the upside, but such is life. You win some, you lose some. And I'm going to show you that with AUD USD, should be seeing some beautiful movement to the downside. And that's exactly what you want from a higher time frame perspective. And I say that because when I go to my 1 hourly time frame, and then you'll see, okay, well, there's a nice note for you all. That was from yesterday. We had a beautiful run to the downside. And let me have a look. Yeah, we had a beautiful run to the downside. That was yesterday. Let's just show you what happened yesterday. Let's do that. Before we go, I'm going to show you two more opportunities. I'm going to show you my favorite method of trading. This is actually my method of trading that I use on a daily basis. And then I'm going to show you this particular one where we make some good money. This was yesterday, as you can see over there. I'm just going to just plug in there, and we can just fast forward a little bit. Let's see our price is going to run itself all the way to our take profit. Let's go there. Almost stop loss. Definitely stop loss there. Okay, stop loss on that one. That's fine. However, yeah, I just went there and to take profit part. I'm going to pause this. Go to my hourly time frame. This is the method that we utilize over here. So at my time, around 5 a.m. in the morning, this is once again when I actually found myself trading. It's of course a Sydney session, and this is where I can confidently say that 80% of my revenue comes from this particular method of trading. 5 a.m. in the morning, I'll wait for a sell or buy. Once again, same type of analysis and a one-to-one risk to reward. And you will notice that we see ourselves just running all the way down to the downside, and it's a fantastic method of trading. But yeah, with that being the case, that's a fantastic. I think it's been an amazing live stream. I did not receive any messages at the moment. However, yeah, I didn't receive any messages. However, this method is amazing. It's fantastic. It works very, very well. And yeah, it's really just an amazing method of trading. Albeit, it doesn't always work 100%. The past 2 days have been fairly, not rough, but it hasn't been the best in terms of profitability. Normally, I would have a take profit on every single trade opportunity that I take on every asset pair that I choose to be trading for the particular day. But yeah, for the past 2 days, we've been seeing a fairly decent dry patch in terms of the assets that we have been selecting to trade for the coming week. So regardless of that, it's been an amazing live stream. I've been able to show you everything of the method and how it works and how you can make the money. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will have a fantastic evening. Keep warm, keep safe, and I'll catch you in the next live stream. Cheers, guys.